What if I told you that two people buying the exact same house in the Dallas Fort Worth area, that one could pay thousands more over a 30-year loan just because of their interest rate? The difference between a 6% and a 5% interest rate on a $400,000 loan over 30 years is like 200 grand. That's like a second house. Right now in the Dallas Fort Worth area, buyers are leaving thousands of dollars on the table by not knowing these three interest rate cutting secrets. And number three, most realtors won't even tell you about. Hello, future homeowners. I'm Robert Barton, your dedicated real estate expert in the Fort Worth area. Today, we're diving into the top three ways to secure the lowest interest rate possible when buying your home. And by the way, I have people just like you reaching out to me every single week to help them with their next move. If you would like to have a private one-on-one conversation with me on how I can help you, feel free to contact me here or up here or click on any of the links in the description below. Now stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock in the lowest interest rate possible in today's market. So let's dive in. Number one, improve your credit score. Your credit score significantly impacts the interest rate lenders are going to offer you. A higher score can lead to lower rates, and here's how to boost your credit score. First, pay your bills on time. Consistently paying your bills on time quickly enhances your credit worthiness. You'll see on your credit report all the months will be in green, and they will look great to a lender, and they're probably going to give you a great interest rate. Next would be reduce your debt and pay down credit cards. Lowering credit card utilization ratio by paying down existing debts can greatly improve your credit score fast. Keep balances under 30% of your credit limit, ideally 10%. So let me give you an example here. Let's say you want to find the max amount that you have on your credit card. Let's say your max amount is $1,000. So you don't want to have over $300 charged on that credit card at any time. You get it? 30%. So next would be avoid getting new credit lines. You want to refrain from opening new credit accounts before applying for a mortgage, as this can lower your score. Every hard inquiry drops your score 5 to 20 points, depending. Here's two examples. You go into Target, you're shopping for something and you're checking out, and they always go, "Hey, would you like the Target card to save $1,000 today?" And you're like, "Sure." Well, just by you getting that Target card, your credit score dropped about 5 to 20 points that day. Here's another example. You don't want to apply for multiple lines of credit multiple times a year. What do I mean by that? You don't want a bank looking at your credit score because it's going to say every time that you apply for credit. And if you apply for credit 10 times that year, you're going to look bad because you're going to look desperate that you needed credit because you didn't have cash. You understand what I'm saying there? Aiming for a credit score of 720 or higher can position you for the most favorable mortgage interest rates. In Dallas Fort Worth, a 720 plus score can save you up to 1% on your mortgage rate versus a 680 score. That's like 75 bucks a month on a $400,000 loan. If you want my free credit boost checklist, just comment credit below and I'll get it over to you. Number two, shop multiple lenders. Most buyers in Dallas Fort Worth just go with their bank or they settle on the first mortgage offer they receive. That could be a big mistake. Different lenders may provide varying rates, terms, and programs, especially for first time home buyers. Here's some examples. Big banks, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, they're convenient, but often come with higher rates and stricter loan criteria and can be very hard to communicate with during your transaction when you're buying a house. Why? Because they have bankers' hours. That means they work Monday through Thursday for like 4 hours. Anyways, I'm not hitting them, but you can tell I've had some bad experiences with banks. Next would be your local credit unions. Hey, I love credit unions, believe me, like Texas Credit Union, Fort Worth Community Credit Union, EECU. Anyways, they offer lower fees, flexible options, and they're more personalized approach, but they often take longer to close. Where a close is normally 30 days, some of these credit unions take up to 40 days. I don't know why. I'm guessing because they have banker hours too. These last two could be a good option if you have a personal relationship with a loan officer at one of the local branches. Next would be online lenders. That's like better.com, Loan Depot, Rocket Mortgage. They're competitive and their aggressive rates are good sometimes, but less one on one support. My personal professional advice is don't use the online lenders. Look, I've turned down offers with these pre approvals just from many bad experience in the past. They're hard to get a hold of. Next, and my personal top recommendation is local mortgage brokers. Who do we got here? Supreme Lending of DFW, Service First Mortgage, et cetera, et cetera. I got many more. But, anyways, they have tailored advice, faster approvals, and exclusive loan programs for Fort Worth and surrounding areas. These brokers work directly with multiple lenders and they find you the best rates and the best terms. They're perfect for first time home buyers, people who need more guidance. Well, heck, you know what? They're good for anybody, actually. But the most important thing is that they work for you 24/7. That means Monday through Sunday, any time of the day. If we have a problem with a title company or you owe them some paperwork, they're going to pick up the phone and they're going to get the problem fixed. They're always on it. By obtaining quotes from multiple institutions, banks, credit unions, mortgage brokers, you can leverage these offers against each other. This not only helps you understand the market, but it also positions you to negotiate better terms for your mortgage loan. Pro tip: get quotes from at least three lenders within 10 days of each other to avoid credit dings and lower your credit score. I've seen clients save up to 1% interest rates just by shopping around. Now, like I've said before, I'm a realtor. I'm not a mortgage expert, but I have experts that work with me. Do you need my list of the best DFW mortgage brokers? Comment broker below and I'll get those over to you. And last but not least, number three, buy down your interest rate. So as of today, the mortgage interest rate is about 6.7%. Buying down your interest rate basically means paying upfront fees. So they're called discount points to lower your mortgage interest rate over the life of the loan. This reduces your monthly payment and can save you thousands over a period of time, especially if you plan on staying in that home for a long period. In all counties in and around Fort Worth, sellers and builders are offering rate buydowns to win potential home buyers. And here's how they work. Let's say you're doing a 2-1 buy down. That's in years, like a 3-year buy down. You would pay a few thousand upfront to the lender. That amount depends on the price of your home. You would pay a few thousand to the lender upfront, and that first year, your interest rate would be 3.99%. The second year would be 4.99%. And in the third year, it would go up to a 6% fixed rate probably from then on. Now, this is great for current new construction builds in Lido and Hazlet, Benbrook, and there's a few other areas. The goal here being interest rates will drop in the near future. And when they do drop, we'll get you refinanced into a lower rate within that 3 years. So I'll give you an example. It's 6.7% today. Let's say the mortgage rates go down to 4% next year. We'll refinance you for 4% and lock in that rate. So my saying is marry your home, date your mortgage rate. Another form of this is called a permanent buy down. So you pay extra money up front and you lower the rate over the entire loan. Now, not all lenders offer these, and that's why we shop around. You want to see my list of builders offering buy downs? Comment buy down and let's get you into that brand new home for as little as zero down because they got some really good incentives going on right now. Anyways, so let's recap. To get the lowest interest rate in the greater Dallas Fort Worth area, one, boost your credit score. Two, shop 3+ lenders. Three, ask about interest rate buy downs. And four, pro tip, use a local mortgage broker. Hey, look, navigating the mortgage landscape can be complex. That's why I'm not a mortgage guy. But with the right strategies and the right realtor, like myself, I'm here for you. Let's go get a house. You can secure interest rates that align with your financial goals. If you're considering buying a home in the Dallas Fort Worth area, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We're a one-stop shop. No need to worry about anything. We'll take you from the mortgage pre-approval all the way to closing and getting your new house keys. We handle absolutely everything for you. Reach out to me anytime for personalized advice and expert assistance. Don't worry. We don't hassle. We don't strong arm. We don't beg. Just honest real estate focusing on you and your family and y'all's needs and getting those goals accomplished. Let's make your home ownership dreams a reality. Schedule a free Zoom buyer consultation below. And once again, those are 3 ways that you can lower your interest rate when buying a new home. And until the next video, God bless you all. I hope y'all have a great week, and Rob Barton out.